Hi there, welcome to another video on Tech Scene ZA. My name is Prashant and today we're taking a look at the second part of our private cloud server build, and we're actually looking at how do we use our private cloud known as OwnCloud. As I said, let's head over to our address 10.0.0.10. Right, this is OwnCloud. So now let's log in. Administrator, and there was a password. Here, so you can't really do much from here. Okay, there we go. Now if we log in, so the previous page was just the management page. Now if we log in, we actually see our cloud view. So documents, photos. So there are basic photos here. I haven't uploaded anything from here, but if I go users, I can create other users. So now let's create myself a user. Right. Let's create a user for me. ESHAAN tab my email address. Right. Create. Password, I'm going to set myself a new password. Okay. So as I said, this is just the basic view of, well, you can use this like OneDrive, whereas if you go files, you can upload your files to here. But I don't find that very useful because, as you know, I have a network share with all our different shares and files saved here. So I don't really need the cloud for that. Okay, so that was our laptop aside. Okay, so let's open Play Store and we're going to look for OwnCloud. Alright, so I already have it installed. You can go and actually download it. So now if we go over to OwnCloud, there's my OwnCloud, our server address. So as you remember, 10.0.0.10. Next. Yes, I trust the server. When you open the app, if you just type in your address like that, you come up can't establish link. So what you have to do, you type in your address and then you say /OwnCloud. That's when it finds it establishes a link. Then you enter your password. I had my name and I had my phone number. My email address. Okay. So, password, it actually changed the password, although it was complaining. So same thing, pictures, documents. The good thing with this app, right, for me, is that it synchronizes your phone to the cloud whenever you're in your home. So what I can do, I can go to settings, I can upload my pictures. Let's create a folder here in the cloud, and that's where I want my pictures saved to. Phone pictures. Right, and upload pictures via Wi-Fi only because there's no other way to connect to my server. And it's going to upload my videos as well. Videos will also go photos, phone pics, shoes. I mean, it's the same thing. Same story here, upload videos Wi-Fi only. Right, so now what that does is essentially every time that I am connected to my home network, it uploads all my pictures and videos and whatever is on my phone to the cloud. Right, let's go to settings. I know there was, you could back up your apps as well. Uploads. Oh, well. This wasn't a very long video, and my reason for that is there wasn't much to show with it, and I saw that the OwnCloud video was actually doing well. It was getting quite a bit of views, so I thought let me show you how to use OwnCloud as well. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If this video was useful to you and you did enjoy it, please let me know by giving a like rating if you did, and getting subscribed if you aren't subscribed already. Guys, my name is Prashant, and I'll see you in the next video.